Hello, 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 everyone. It's me. It's your girl, Sia Knight, the mobile notary mentor. And I am here with a new video that will help you in your quest to get those calls on Notarize. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm the mobile notary mentor, as I mentioned before, and I help people start their notary business and become successful in that, whether or not you want it to be a side hustle, extra income, or if you want it to replace your full-time job. So I am here today to talk about Notarize. And one of the questions that I get often on Notarize is kind of, what's the best day to log in to Notarize? So, of course, the answer is a big fat, it depends. However, I did notice a pattern this past weekend, and I wanted to share it with you in hopes that it will help you with your notary business. First of all, stop right now before I continue. Hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Did you do that? Great. So here's what I want to let you know I noticed. The best day for Carvana transactions are Sunday. Now, if you're not on Notarize, if you're not a notary, you don't know what in the hairy heck I'm talking about. However, I want to break it down for you guys, okay? So on Notarize, you have different levels of notaries. You are a partner, then there's a silver level in which you can do some business transactions. So with Notarize's business partners, they'll come through and you can notarize documents for them. Then you can become a gold level notary in which you can do some real estate transactions. And that's where you really can earn more money. Perfect. Now, the tip that I have is for folks who are silver level, at least silver level notaries. Now, Carvana is a big partner with Notarize. So we do a lot of notarizations of limited powers of attorney, power of attorneys. We do a lot of POAs, okay? So when you buy a car, it gives kind of the dealership the right to be able to kind of talk to the DMV on your behalf, et cetera, right? So we do a lot of those transactions, if your state allows. That's the caveat. Some states won't let you do those transactions, and I'll let you refer to your state's notary handbook to find out if you can or can't. But if you can do those transactions on Notarize, the best day for that are Sundays. Sunday. And I sat around because I did a fair number of them. They're quick, they're easy. And I love doing those Carvana transactions. Why Sunday? Because a lot of people are car shopping on the weekend, on Saturdays and Sundays. So it makes sense that in order to complete their transaction, the paperwork piece, that Sunday is a hot day for those Carvana transactions. So I just noticed it this weekend. Not a lot of, I think maybe no real estate transactions came through for me. A lot of the common transactions that come through, but then I said, a lot of Carvana. And if I look back at the pattern, usually on Sundays, that's a hot Carvana day. So that's it. I just wanted to share that little helpful hint for you guys. And I hope this knowledge helps you become more successful on the Notarize platform and more successful as a notary overall. So that's it, folks. If you want some more information and training, I have a new notary workshop coming up June 4th. Now that is, if you're watching this in real time. If not, then ask me how it went. I'm sure it went very, very well. So that's it, folks. I hope you have a wonderful wonderful day, and happy signing. Bye.